Hey y'all. So I've been on these Exingle roller skates, getting my little workout on every afternoon after work. And I just think it's important to get out there and move on the skates to make them a part of my legs. So this is just how I warm up. Balancing like this is really harder than it looks. And then some side steps, and then I feel a little bit loose. Keep my knees bent during this time so that if I do fall, I'm not far from the ground. And spin. Oh my gosh, it just feels so good. I'm like a kid. Hit him with the Dougie. What? Okay, I'm just showing off. And then dip some more. I'm not so worried about, trying to be fashionable while I'm skating and doing all sorts of moves. I really just want to regain my balance. So this is a great warm up to do that. And another spin. Always wear protection.